everybody, I'm Shihara. Welcome to my personality development channel. So if you have not subscribed my channel, subscribe now if you sincerely want to learn concepts related to personality development and English. So I'm back with another ESL teaching technique lesson for kids. So these videos act as support material for homeschooling parents, ESL teachers and parents who would like to give some extra knowledge to their kids related to spoken English. Plus, if you are starting to learn English from the very beginning, I think you could check out these videos as well and do these exercises to see if you can do them without anybody's help. So today we'll see how to teach our kids the concept of a and an articles. So this lesson also can be taught to 5 to 7-year-olds, and it all depends on the exposure that they have towards the language. So if they have an English speaking environment, this would be very easy for them to grasp. But then if they don't have, once again, this is a good place to start. So let's see how we can teach our kids to use a and an in different sentences. So first of all, you'll have to teach them that an is used for vowel sounds rather than vowel letters, because a lot of teachers teach that an should be used in front of words that start with vowel letters. But sometimes they get confused with that. Therefore, it's easy for them to understand if you can tell about these sounds. So we can teach the short vowel sounds to them as a, e, o, a. A, e, o, a. So if you teach it like that, then it will be really easy for them to grasp this concept of vowel sounds. Then of course you can teach them that a is used in front of words that start with consonant sounds. So typically at this age, they should know these vocabulary and the words that start with a, e, o, a sounds. For example, an apple, an aeroplane, an egg, an elephant, and so on. So you can first teach them the meanings of these words and then ask them to tell them in a sentence. So here our job is to help them to get used to the vowel sounds and build their muscle memory to say an in front of these sounds if they have to use the an article. Now that's the basic point here, because many children, according to my experience, use an even in front of consonant letters. Now these children are around 12-13 years. Still they use an in front of consonant sounds, and that is because as educators we had not taught them, or we had not built their muscle memory to say an in front of vowel letters or vowel sounds only. So this is a little problem that I encounter as a teacher, because a lot of them say an in front of vowel sounds, but then they say an in front of consonant sounds as well. So this could happen to anybody, and that is why we are trying to help them to build their muscle memory to say an in front of vowel sounds only. So this is one way that you can do it with them. You can show them pictures. Now in this example, in this video, I've shown very basic pictures, but you can find child-friendly pictures according to their age. So let's see how we can do it. First of all, we can teach them this concept. We can ask them the question, what is this? And they can answer, it is a bat. Then what is this? It is an umbrella. So now we can show them pictures. So you can select child-friendly pictures when you are doing the exercise, but I'll show you how to do the exercise now. So this is example exercise number 1. What is this? What is that? 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 What is this? Okay, so now we'll go on to example exercise number 2. Now here, I will show you how you can combine and an to create an exercise. So when you're asking questions, you can show alternative pictures for and an, like this. So I'll show you how to do the exercise now. What's this? What's that? 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 Yes, so you can mix the questions and ask them so that they'll remember to say an in front of the correct words. So that's all I have for you today. I hope these exercises will help you to make up more exercises for them. So these are just example exercises. You can get better pictures for the kids according to their age, according to their standards, and then use these examples and do variations of these exercises for your kids. So that's all I have for you today. So I hope this video was useful for you. So if you need more videos just like this, subscribe my channel and please click the bell icon so that you know that I have uploaded a video. So that's all I have for you today. Stay safe and take care and have a pleasant day.